Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable comments on Facebook post. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. Basically there is no any option available on Facebook to disable comments on it, but I'm gonna tell you how you can limitize your comments on your Facebook post. In this way you guys can turn off the comments. So let's get started. First of all, you guys have to open up Facebook app. After opening up Facebook app on your mobile phone, you guys have to tap on the top right corner of your profile icon. So after tapping on your profile icon, here you have to select your profile of which you want to disable comments on your post. So you guys have to just tap on your profile. So after tapping on profile and assume that here is the post in which I want to limitize my comments or turn off comments. So in order to turn off comments, you guys have to tap on the top right corner of options of that post. So after tapping on it, here you guys can be able to see an option which is who can comment on your post. So you guys have to just tap on it. Here you guys cannot be able to see any of the option which is private or only me. So don't worry about it. What you have to do, you guys have to select the last one which is profiles or pages you mention. What it will do is only those will comment on your post which you mention in your post. So in this way you guys can limitize your post and turn off the comments on your Facebook post. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.